shooters and they with me and they never miss. 23, 23, yeah, 23. I got shooters and they with me and they never miss. 23, 23, yeah, 23. I got shooters and they with me and they never miss. I put the squad on my back and going forward we ain't never looking back. I don't came a long way, now I laugh about the past and the friends that I had. Yeah, 2, 3, I'm putting on for my team and the homies. Lately I've been on my grind if you know me. That fan for the win like Ginobili. I remember growing up they told me I'll never be nothing, it was OD. Now I'm going for the chip with the whole team. On the fine beat again, that's on me. Yeah.
So it's 6:40 right now, morning 6:40. Good morning. I'm in Dibba Al Fujairah right now. I am here to pick up Sunny Sukhpreet Singh, and then we will continue our journey towards Oman. And because I'm in Dibba Al Fujairah right now, so I'm going to enter from Kalba side. Otherwise you can enter from Hatta as well or Al Ain as well. The place where I am going right now, it's almost 5 to 6 hours drive from Dibba. Even from Ajman and Sharjah is 5 to 6 hours drive. It depends actually from which border you are going to enter. So as I'm in Dibba right now, so of course I will enter from Kalba side. Now I am near Sunny's house.
You wanna test your fate, wait, it won't work out like a shake, wait. We thought we had to work for work, find out we had words to change the world.
In morning 6 o'clock I start, no sorry 5 o'clock I started from my home, and the plan was I will go Dibba, I will pick Sunny Bhai, and then we will go to Kalba border, and we will we will enter from there. But when I went Kalba border, they didn't accept me because my car registration was expired yesterday, and I renewed it actually. I renewed it yesterday. Same time I renewed it, I showed them the PDF file, but they didn't accept. They said we need card, we need hard copy. They didn't accept any picture or any PDF file.
Game time, doing gang signs, seven and undefined, everything else just aim on. Chillin' with hang time, studio visit this playtime, Golly and Dib at the same time, pull up in jet from Shanghai, yeah. Y'all gotta give up the sticks, give it up. Taking my gang on a trip, first championship, give me that. Then we gon' stack up chips, don't stay y'all all about yourself for real. Living a life full of cap, we finna run up a check for real, so I put the team on my back. Most of you lame stay the same, y'all don't go through pain. If we a 10 gang fit.
So after that we came to Hatta, and in Hatta they didn't ask anything, they accepted me and Sunny. So finally we are going towards Wadi Damm pool. Hello and welcome to my channel Rough Roads.
WJ with the shot, we don't gotta aim. If you snooze you lose the spot and you cannot reclaim. Headed to the top, what else can I say? Where I come from we don't stop until we get the rain. Don't compare my squad to yours cause we don't move the same. We keep a distance from you clowns cause y'all be switching lanes. 23, yeah, 23. I got shooters and they with me and they never miss. 23, 23, yeah, 23. I got shooters and they with me and they never miss. 23, 23, yeah, 23. I got shooters and they with me and they never miss. 23, 23, yeah, 23. I got shooters and they with me and they never miss.
There were several spots where I thought that I will stop here and I will make video about this village and this place. But no, I planned this trip for Wadi Damm pool, so I am continuing there. Even I know that I will reach there late. It will be around 4 o'clock or 4:30. I will get hardly 1 hour or 1.5 hours to shoot that place or to enjoy that place. But still I have to continue because I planned for that place, so I will go that place. But for you guys, if you are planning to come Wadi Damm pool, try to come early. Try to start your journey from your home early, so you will enjoy the villages on the way. You can enjoy the wadis on the way. So this is the parking area, and I parked my car here, and here, from here we have to go, and we have to hike. Actually, we have to walk. It's not far. It's in map. It looks like 5 to 10 minutes, but let's see. Jaldi, jaldi. Because of rain, our plan didn't went well actually. It was so heavy rain, so dam is full and people are running from here, so we have to move. Chalo. This is the place where I was 5 minutes before. It was a really close call. Me and Sunny, we were almost near the dam, and then we started running. When I saw the waterfall, suddenly waterfall started, and suddenly heavy rain started. Oh, it was a really close call. So that's it. For this we came from all the way from Ajman, 6 hours drive, and this happened. We'll go back now. And if you guys didn't subscribe my channel, subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.